Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I've got an unboxing of a Toyota Supra. This is an MPC kit, 125 scale, and it is kit number MPC 891/12. And let's see here, this kit was released in May of 23. Alrighty. It has 104 parts. There's the bottom of the box. Here's the side of the box. Molded in white for easy painting. Bright plated parts. Many optional accessories. Well, can't wait to see what those are. Looks like we get some window louvers. Those are kind of cool looking. Nice looking wheels. Oh man, you guys remember the Streaker Vet? If you're old enough to remember that kit, what a pain in the butt that kit was. Yep. Alrighty. Let me go ahead and set you down here. See if I can do it without shutting the camera off. And we're going to go ahead and open this one up and see what kind of goodies we have in there. Here we go, guys. I forgot to mention, I picked this one up at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but it's $8.24 I paid for it, and this is regular price on it. So I thought that was kind of nice. I always looked at this kit and never pulled the trigger on it, and I figured, what the heck, for a few dollars, I'd pick it up. So here we go. And like I said on the side of the box, it's molded in white. I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of this one today, just because the bottom box is a little bit flimsy. Alright, I'm going to set that aside. Keep that in the frame so you can see what we're looking at. So right here are the tires. Go ahead and get them open. I better use the scissors. The old X-Acto blade there didn't work out real well. There we go. Alright guys, the tires, they seem kind of tiny, so they're probably in scale, they're like 14-inch rims, I'm guessing. They are BF Goodrich. Haven't seen them in a while. Hopefully that shows up for you. Here's a tread pattern. All four tires are the same. And there's markings on both sides. So, okay. There we go. Alright, on the bottom we have one tree of chrome. There we go. Got some nice looking wheels there. Looks like we get two different options for our wheels. We got kind of like the standard wheel, I think, and then the other one, or maybe vice versa, I don't remember. I recall seeing this style wheel more on those particular cars back in the day. And then, let's see, here we have exhaust manifold, it looks like here. Intake, I'm assuming. Rear axle cover. This might be a air filter cover or air intake. I'll have to look. This may be a turbo engine, so that might be part of the turbo setup. These look like valve covers. I don't know if it's two individual covers or if it's an option for one or the other. So I won't know that till I get in the instructions. Looks like a a gas cap, generator, alternator. They weren't called generators in the 90s, and a rear view mirror for the inside. Alright. Decent. So while it's on my mind and fresh, I'm going to glance real quick at the instructions. Yeah, it looks like, let me see on this side. That's step one. Yeah, it's two separate valve covers. So that's what it is. I just wanted to make sure before I forget, because by the end of this video I'll completely forget about that. Alright guys. Funny thing is I don't know what year this vehicle is either. Does it say it on the box? It reminds me of something from the mid-90s, but I'm not sure. I'm not real familiar with the Toyota vehicles. So I guess if anybody knows what year this vehicle was supposed to be, let me know in the comments, please. I'd be real curious. Look at her. It's all stuck together. Got some major flashing going on here. Alright, the body feels decent. Oh man, the body actually feels pretty thick. Pretty, not disproportionately thick, but very well made. Very nice, very nice. Like it, almost like a snap kit. It's very, very, very thick, I guess is the only word I can think of. So there's the body. It reminds me of the old Datsun 210, was it? You know, that kind of body shape. I always like those. Those are cool. Well, this is neat. This is going to be my first Toyota that I've built, I believe, you know. Now, I did the Stranger Things pizza van, surfer wagon, whatever it was called. For some reason, I think that was a Toyota, too. So, all right, this will, if that one's a Toyota, then this will be my second Toyota that I've built. Here's the interior. I'm sorry, guys, I'm babbling a bit. Got some little nice detail here for the. I guess that would be for the glass roof if this vehicle had a glass roof. And hold it in the little bag they always give you. Here are the seats. Oh, this is different. The back of the front seats is separate from the seats part, and the backs are actually part of the frame. That's kind of cool. Different idea. I don't know that I've ever seen that before. Here's the dashboard. Kind of minimal detail. Maybe when we get into the decals, there'll be something there to fix that up a little bit, make it look nice. But decent looking, you know. I don't know what this is. A little spoiler, chin spoiler or something. Or maybe it's, I have no idea. Part number 7, guys. We're going to have to look that one up. Here's the front and back of the back seat, or rear seat, which, okay, the bottoms are already molded in. That's cool. So that might be able to actually fold down, but I doubt it because I don't see any like locating pins or nothing. And then we have steering column, which is like a little rectangular box with some bars sticking out of it. And then the shifter handle, shifter knob, whatever you want to call it. That's just that tree. Excuse me. Here we have I believe this is the lower front spoiler. And these will be the side skirt kind of things that will go along here, almost like a running board on a truck. Some louvers for the rear windows. Actual rear window louver. These are for the side rear windows. And this is a hood scoop, I believe. Maybe not. Well, that's the only thing it could be, because there's one on here, and then this one's a little more higher, more pronounced. There's the hood. There's the rear end and the front end and all that good stuff there. There possibly one of these stacks on the other. I'm not sure which. If I look here, it's got to be. I'm not sure, guys. We'll figure that out in the instructions. But still, part number 7, wherever that was. Gotta remember what that one was so I can look it up. Oh, this is cool. Look at this, guys. We have like extra fenders. What the heck? That's kind of cool. To give it the, was it like a SEMA? Not SEMA. Yeah, SEMA. Just like the Trans Am I did a while back. Had them bulging fenders in that. So that's what these are. And if you want to build it stock and use these for a different kit. Make up something. Those are really cool. I like those. The extra fenders like this remind me of the Pro stock, the old Pro Nova kit. One of my favorite kits of all time. Here's the chassis. Decent detail. Okay. Nice thickness again. Look at here, we have struts with the rotors, or the wheel backings there. That's cool. Drive shaft, shock absorbers, rear end with the suspension all tied in together, molded together. Little maybe steering linkage, sway bar, whatever that is. And then this is the bottom half of this to kind of give it some more detail. That's very cool. And we have wheel backings, wheel inserts. Okay, these are parts that will attach to the axle nubs or whatever you want to call them. Steering wheel. This is the roof panel for the top. You're going to cut that X out, and that'll go there. So actually, that would be something that would get strapped down in the interior back here if you know, you're out driving around with your roof open, moon roof kind of thing. Here's firewall. Minimal detail, but decent looking. I'm going to assume this is the fan shroud. All right. Oil pan, radiator, engine head, or no, yeah, wait. Yeah, it's got to be intake manifold. Sorry about that. These are the heads. Front of the engine, time machine cover, all that good stuff. Master cylinder, single bowl. Another piece I'm not really sure of, which is, well, it's probably a power steering pump, and I can't read the number on it. I think it's 46, so I'm going to look 46 and 7 up. Here's a fan blade, nice looking. Battery. Some kind of control module, it looks like. Another master cylinder looking thing here. So this one might be like a slave cylinder for the clutch. Oh, I forgot to mention the two side mirrors are over here next to this. Fan belt and pulley system, radiator hose, some air things for air movement, engine blocks, full exhaust, and some kind of, this looks like exhaust manifold from here. So that's it for parts, guys. Oh wait, nope, I lied. Hold on. Clear glass, big window for the rear, front one for the obviously windshield, and then tail lights. Pretty nice. You know, I always leave those in there till the last minute. So let's get right into the instructions. 7 and that other one. Yeah, I can't believe it. I mean, I literally just looked at it, right? What was it? Was this the last one I just showed you? Here, nope. No, this one, 46. 46 and 7. Yeah, it's fun getting old, guys. All right, I'm going to pick you up real gentle here. We have a little paint guide right there. Still nothing else on the year of the vehicle. My glasses are playing tricks on me. I can't hardly read that one. Looks like this kit came out in 2022 also. Here's the engine going together. Here's the top half that I thought was the head, but it's intake manifold, that stuff. Putting together this, that, okay. Here's 48. It's not 46, it's 48. It's right there. It attaches to what looks like a distributor, so that may be a cover for your wires in it to keep them in. Here's this stuff. Looks like we got a air conditioning pump, power steering pump, alternator, fan. Nice. This goes here. Nice. Looks like a little turbo there. Different choice of wheels. Oh, look at there, guys. Now, I made a mistake. I had thought that this piece covers the rear axle, but it looks like it's the front assembly here, and this is just the rear by itself. So, my bad on that one. We'll put our engine in, exhaust. Still looking for number 7. I didn't forget that. Okay. Yep, that is the fan shroud. That's cool. Put the glass in. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay, that one big piece is another top for the hood. Here, these two pieces come together to make the front end, so that mystery's solved. Some miscellaneous air intake items here. Okay. Here's number 7. That is like a wing that you can put on the back of the vehicle in place of the louvers, I believe. Oh yeah, there it is, guys. So that's that one. That's number 7. Or you can do number 68, which is the actual louvered thing, which I'll probably go with that one. I like the look of that. And there's the body panels going on if you choose that route. And how to dress it up with some decals. Alright, that's cool. Cool, they look like fairly understandable instructions for MPC, which if you've seen my last video, you'll see how strongly I felt about that. And here we go, into the decals. I'll let you guys get on your way. Let's see here. I'm mainly curious about dashboard decals. Oh, nice looking decal sheet here, guys. Look at that. You got Supra, Toyota Supra, all over the place. That's kind of a neat one there. Supra license plate from Fall River, South Dakota. At RRG 711. Huh. All right. Well, unfortunately, no dash decals, but you know, it is what it is. We'll paint them up and try to make the best of it. Pretty cool. I like the colors. They're really nice. They look good on blue like that. I don't know if I'll do mine in blue, but I don't mind it. I don't hate it, you know. Alrighty, folks. As always, I thank you so very much for stopping by. I appreciate your time. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.